Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to enable the speedometer in Google Maps. It's a super helpful feature if you're driving and want to keep an eye on your speed right within the app. First, go ahead and open up the Google Maps app on your phone. Once it loads, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and select Navigation Settings. In the navigation settings, scroll down until you find a section called Map Display. Under that, you'll see an option called Show Speedometer. Make sure to turn that toggle on. Once you've enabled it, Google Maps will start showing your current speed while you're using navigation in real time. This is especially useful when driving, helping you stay aware of your speed without looking at your dashboard. You can also choose to enable the speed limit feature just below that, which shows the speed limit for certain roads. Though it's not available everywhere, it's still a good addition if it's supported in your area. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled the speedometer on Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got any questions or want more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.